Hello students, this is Pabitra Sir Classes. Today's formula will save you marks in seconds. Welcome aboard. Here's the fastest way to handle 2 price hikes or discounts. 2 discounts or 2 hikes, and you're still calculating step by step? No more. Just add the first percent, add the second percent, then add their product over 100. Example, price goes up 20%, then 10% more. 20 plus 10 is 30, plus 20 times 10 divided by 100 equals 2 more. That's a total 32% change. Works the prices, marks, even salary changes, exam and life ready. Like this video, subscribe for more exciting lessons, and tell me in the comments what you want next. Share with your friends in need. Have a great day.